friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So I'm really excited. It's the second day of Valenbean and we're going to unbag the Apocalyptic Beauty subscription bag and try the things on. You guys had to have known this was coming because Apocalyptic Beauty always sends very good, well-rounded, curated themed bags every month. And the theme this month is Queen of Hearts. This is what the card looks like that has all the information on it. And this is what the bag itself looks like. I already took everything out, but isn't this so cute? I just feel I'm in the Valentine's Day spirit with doing these looks, guys. I can just tell you that. Apocalyptic Beauty is a monthly subscription in case you have never watched any of my videos talking about it. It's $12.50 a month and you get, it's like 4 to 6 items from their brand. They're an indie brand and have the subscription box, so that's what they do. They have a lot of really cool things. They have lots of loose shadows, glitters, liquid lipsticks, glosses, and I like pretty much everything they've sent me. I think there was one eyeshadow one time a long time ago that I didn't love, but I really love everything else that I get. And very recently, I just became an affiliate with Apocalyptic Beauty. Thank you very much. If you use my code beautbean, you can save, I think it's 10% off their site. You save some money. It doesn't count towards a subscription bag because it's a monthly thing, but if you buy anything else off their site, you can use my code and save some money. I already used my code myself to buy myself a couple glitters and it's really cool. If you do use my code, I do make a percentage, but I don't get direct cash. I get like store credit, but it still counts. But I just wanted to let you know, full disclaimer, I get something out of it if you use my code and I appreciate it very much. So anyways, let's just get into the bag. We got 5 things this month. The first thing we got is a blush or a blush topper. That's what it says, blush/blush topper. It's in the shade Femme Fatale. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's how I feel like it's pronounced, but I could be totally wrong because I never know how to pronounce anything. It's cute. It's like a really soft pinky blush. I don't know if that'll work as a full-on blush, but I mean, we'll try it. We will try it. Let's try it right now. It's a loose blush, so it's kind of messy, so I'm just using what's in the cap. It's actually really cute. It adds such a cute little pinky glow. I like this a lot actually. I'm always surprised with how much I like some of the things in the bags, but this is really cute. Aw. Now I just need some highlight to complete this. I'm just gonna dip into Forever Lit from the Nicole Guererrio Anastasia Glow Kit. No, that's too blue tone. I'm gonna dip into Kitty Cat, the more pink one. I forgot that that one has a blue shift to it. Oopsie. And I'm just gonna spray my glow mist because I'm obsessed with this stuff. I use it after like every step. Let's get into these shadows. We got 3 eyeshadows. And again, I love their eyeshadow formula. It's messy because it's loose shadows, but they're just such pretty colors. So this first one is Dark Feminine. It is described as an earthy mauve with fine copper sparkle. I mean, it's cute. It's not anything revolutionary, but it's pretty. It has a nice sheen to it, but actually the sparkle isn't too overwhelming. We'll see what it looks like on the eyes. Well, it might have to be built up a little bit. This next one is Man Eater. It is a metallic red. Oh, I want to try to redo this swatch because it just looks like absolute crap right now. There we go, that's better. It just takes some building up. But really with these shadows, I find that they work really great with a glitter glue underneath. And this last one is Kiss of Distraction. It's described as a peachy pink with golden shimmer. Oh, that's cute. All together, I really like these. This one I was kind of unsure about, but with the other ones, it's really cute. It looks very Valentine's-y and I'm ready to play with them. And finally, we got a glitter, and I'm always excited to get glitters, and I'm glad it's a Valentine's glitter in this box. I wanted that so bad. Even though I did buy Valentine's glitters from their site, I'm happy to have more. This is called Heartbeat Down. You can't really see it, but it's just a bunch of red glitters, different shapes. Some are little hexagons, some are hearts, some are smaller, just little pieces of glitter. It's really cute. Let's just get into the look. Primed with the Smashbox lid primer, and I did not set it because I don't do that. And I'm going to use my Lime Crime Venus 3 palette to help me out just because I want a matte shade to go in the crease. And I'm going to go in with Ecstasy right here. And I'm just taking that on one of those dual-ended Anastasia brushes that come with the palettes. And I'm just gonna kind of pack this in the outer corner and drag it through the crease. The shade's cute. I actually don't recall if I've ever really used this shade. I haven't used this palette too much. I'm just taking any clean blending brush now to just soften the edges some more. I know for a fact that I want that darker mauve shade in the outer corner, so I'm just gonna lay down some of the NYX glitter primer down first, just kind of out here where I know I'm gonna want it. And then I'm gonna dip that exact same brush in and pop it on. Wow, that's so pretty. It's just so reflective. They do such a good job with these loose shadows. Again, they aren't that exciting by themselves, but with some kind of primer underneath, it's insane. And I'm just kind of dragging out and exaggerating this outer corner just for what's to come at the end of this look. I think I want to do a half cut crease because I really want that red to really pop across the lid. So I'm taking my concealer and looking straight up so I can see where to cut the crease. Just gonna follow that line with this flat brush, and then we will pop that pretty red on top. I apologize if you can maybe now hear the vacuum at this point, because Zane decided right now is a good time to vacuum. Same thing, just taking some of my NYX glitter primer. I'm just popping this on. This brush is very large. I don't know why this is the eyeshadow brush I picked, but whatever. And then just going right into that metallic shade. I'm ecstatic right now, wow. That's so pretty.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like when she leaves, I slowly leave the ground.
Now looking at it, I don't know why I felt the need to do a cut crease, because it doesn't really make a huge difference. Whatevs. Just gonna kind of go and smudge this edge where they meet just so it blends a little bit better. And finally, for my inner corner, I'm gonna lay down that pinky shade. And I was just using a dual-ended Urban Decay brush for that brown shade, and I'm just flipping it over for the inner corner. Laying down some of that glitter primer once again, dipping into it, and going to town. And I'm just going to quickly dip into that kitty cat shade just to pop in my very, very inner corner, just to brighten this up a little bit. It's really cute, but I just feel like it's a bit dark for an inner corner, so I just want to lighten it up just a tad bit. But it's a really cute color. That would have been so cute smushed all over the lid. And it's not bad in the inner corner. I just, again, wanted a little bit of extra lightness. So that's where the general eye look is looking. I'm going to get to this step and then bring you back to do the glitter. My other eye is done. On my lips, I just put the Lime Crime Plushies Soda. Is it really just called soda? Cherry soda. I was like, there's no way it's just called soda. So I'm just taking the other end of that Anastasia brush that I haven't like used anything else on with. I'm taking some of the NYX glitter primer. I'm patting some of this all in the outer corner of my eye. This is one of my absolute favorite ways to wear chunky glitter. Just kind of dipping my brush in and then just kind of going nuts with it. I try to be as least precise as possible with this, to be honest with you. I think the only thing I try to make sure I do is put little tiny chunks kind of more so towards the center portion, just so it fades out nice. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Really simple, but I love the statement it makes, and I just think it's so cute. So I'm gonna do the other eye now, throw on my lashes, and we'll finish this video up. So this is the final look. I love it. I feel very Valentine's-y and cutesy, and I love it. I don't know how else I can really put it. I didn't have a problem with any of the products. I love the blush. I think this is my first blush I ever got from Apocalyptic Beauty, and I love it. I just think it adds the cutest little pinky glow to the cheeks, and I love it. Love the glitter, of course. I'm a glitter fan. I would put glitter on everything, and all these shadows performed really, really well. I'm a little sad at the way I did this look because I didn't expect this pink color in my inner corner to be that pretty. Had I known, I might have done more of a halo eye where it was more the darkest color, the red, and then the pink really shining in the center of my lid. But I still really like this look. I think it came out really pretty. I'm just sad that I didn't use this pink to its fullest potential, but now I know to do that another day. I'm happy. I'm happy with this bag. What did you guys think of this bag? Did you guys get this bag? I know some of you have started subscribing to this subscription because I've been talking about it for so long, and it's just so fun. It's so cute. I love how themed it is. It's just like getting a cute little present every month. And you also always get candy. This time they gave me Jolly Rancher jelly hearts. They're cute. I'm going to eat these later. Next month's theme is always at the bottom of the card, and it's going to be Malevolent Mermaid. So that will be fun. I'm hoping for some good teals and greens, maybe a really cool yellow. We'll see. If you enjoyed this Apocalyptic Beauty monthly subscription box unboxing and try on, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I normally post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but for this whole week, I'm posting for a week straight, and then it will just carry on into next week. So really, it's gonna be like 12 videos in a row. But anyways, just subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.